Are you at a point where your life feels meaningless? A point where you don't know what you are doing or where you are going, but are just living for the sake of it? Nowadays, many people prefer to live a passive life simply because it's easy at the present moment. I used to be one of those people, but I managed to find my way into a new life, an active life, a life where I found direction and true happiness. If you want to do the same, this video is for you. Here's what you need to do in order to start living an active life. 1. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve in life, and how can you do it? Plan small steps that you can stay committed to doing each day in order to eventually paint the bigger picture. 2. Time block your days. Make sure whatever you do is intentional so you don't end up wasting your time. If you don't know how, I have a video on it which I will put in the description. 3. Switch from scrolling to long-form content. Scrolling wastes your time, and it is something you keep doing not knowing when you will stop. Most of you probably do it to escape a stressful reality, which is exactly what you want to avoid during this transition. Meanwhile, long-form content is something you watch intentionally. 4. Take care of your physical health. A healthy body is the key to a healthy mind and good focus. Engage in physical activity, choose healthier food options, and stay hydrated. This is crucial if you want to live an active life. 5. Practice discipline. I know you've been hearing this again and again, and I know it's not as easy as it sounds, but if you are not disciplined and do things only when you feel like it, you will probably be switching back to a passive life again in no time. 6. Solve the problems in the reality that you're trying to escape. The root cause of a passive life for most people is the fact that they do not like their reality and want to keep escaping it as much as possible. If you are facing a similar situation, the best thing you can do is acknowledge the problems in your reality. 7. Journaling. Journaling or any kind of reflection is another key step towards leading an active life. Know what is going on in your life, good and bad. You need to be aware of how your days are being used instead of passively watching them slip through your fingers. 8. Stop spending time with passive people. It is extremely difficult to be an active person while spending time with passive people. If your hangouts involve all of you going on your phone and just passively being there for the sake of it, then you can blame your passiveness on your social circle. Spend more time with active people who have direction, know what they are doing, and live in the present. 9. Get rid of your fear of failure. Again, this is easier said than done, but leading an active life means you will have to face challenges, and this time you cannot passively escape it. So, you need to learn how to stand strong against your fears. If you need some extra motivation for this, I will put another link in the description on how to escape the fear of failure. Take one step at a time, doing which you will eventually manage to make the transition. It is a slow process, but you will gradually notice yourself turning into a new person. This channel is made to help you grow, become a better person, see the world clearly, and attain peace and success. Every bit of support counts and is greatly appreciated.